Hi, my name is Ana Arjun from BTC Curacao, and today I will be teaching you how to accept Bitcoin using a deposit-only wallet from the mobile application BlueWallet. Before we get started, you need to have the following ready. As this presentation is for businesses, we suggest you buy a smartphone or tablet dedicated to use at the cash register if you do not already have one. So, you need to have two Android or iOS smartphones or tablets in your hand. We will call the first device device number 1, the owner's device. And the second device we will call device number 2, the company's device. In this video, we will assume your cash register is employee operated, meaning that employees work at the cash register and thus they would be handling the Bitcoin transactions. A deposit-only wallet is meant for cases in which the employee will be accepting the Bitcoin on the company phone or tablet. The deposit-only wallet does not allow the employee to make any transactions on the wallet except receiving, thus keeping your account and Bitcoin on your wallet safe. A deposit-only wallet is like a copy of original wallet which is located on, for example, another device. And I will be explaining how to create a deposit-only wallet on the company phone or tablet. Please have a pen and paper next to you as you will need it to complete the training. And lastly, you need to have a Wi-Fi access in your store or data on your mobile devices. This is the equipment you need to use BlueWallet. I'm going to walk you now through the installation. You need two Android or iOS mobile phones. One is of course for device number 1, which is the owner's device, and the other one is for device number 2, which is the company's device. Then we are going to install BlueWallet on both, which is the name of the app I recommend for accepting Bitcoin as a retailer. The reason for BlueWallet is because it's open source, it's available for Android and iOS, it supports the Antillean guilders, and it's easy to use and reliable. The QR code at the bottom right of the screen will take you to the BlueWallet app on the Google Play Store. If you cannot scan that code, then go to the Google Play Store and search for BlueWallet. Please pause the video here and take the time to download BlueWallet on both devices. After BlueWallet is installed on your devices, you can unpause the video and wait for the next slide. Now, please put in front of you device number 1. The following are the steps you will take on this device. Open the app on device 1 for the first time. You will see the button Add Wallet. You can click Add Now or click on the plus sign at the top right corner to create your first wallet. Once you have done that, you will now see the option to name your wallet. You can put any name you like or you can just leave it like it is and it will be saved automatically as My First Wallet. Click on the Bitcoin wallet and then click Create. After you have created a wallet, you will be presented with 12 words. This is your backup phrase. Write down this phrase on a paper and keep it a secret from other people. Do not take a screenshot or picture of the backup phrase. It's an unsafe way to record it. Write down all the words in the correct order. Put a number besides each one. You should make 2 written copies and store them in a safe place, like a bank safety deposit box or where you store your jewelry or tax documents. This backup is for when you lose or break your phone. Once you've written down your backup phrase, you will see the wallet as presented on the left screen. Click on the wallet you just created. Then you will see a screen appear as shown on the right. Click on the 3 dots. When you click on the 3 dots, the following screen on the left will appear. You must now click on Show Wallet Xpub. Once you do so, you will see the Xpub address appear, in the form of a QR code. This QR code is to be scanned by device number 2. We will now switch to device number 2, where I will explain to you how you must prepare the watch-only wallet. Download BlueWallet again, this time on device number 2. Open the app for the first time, click on the plus sign at the top right corner and then click Import Wallet. Once you have done that, you will now see the option to enter your seed words. This is the backup phrase, but you will also see the option to scan or import a file. In this case, we will click on Scan or Import File to scan the original wallet. If you do all the steps correctly until now, you will have the 2 devices with the following screens. Device number 2, the company's device, on the left, and device number 1, the owner's device, on the right. Use device number 2 to scan devices number 1's QR code. Once you do the scan, you will get an alert saying the wallet has been successfully imported. And when you click on the wallet, you will see the screen on the right, and like that, you are ready to do transactions in the deposit-only wallet. We will now illustrate to you how you can receive using the deposit-only wallet. First, you will change the currency to florins. In order to do that, click on the 3 dots at the top. Then select currency and change the currency to Antillean guilders or florins. Then, tap on the wallet you would like to receive the Bitcoin on. You will see a screen appear as such. On the bottom, you will see 2 options, send or receive. Tap on receive, then you will see the screen on the right, and then tap receive with amount. Once you do that, you will see a screen appear as so on the left. You have to change the currency to florins by clicking on the 2 arrows on the right. Then add a description and click create. You will then see a barcode as on the right. The customer can scan this barcode to send you the payment. The deposit-only wallet is meant for receiving. The send button is there for advanced sending with a hardware wallet. If by mistake you click send, you can just click cancel. And now for the short demo. The phone on the left will be device 1, the owner's phone. The phone on the right will be device 2, the company phone. We click on device 1's wallet, click the 3 dots, show wallet Xpub. Then on device 2 we click import wallet, scan or import file, take device 2, scan the QR code, then we wait a while until it imports the wallet. Then we get a notification saying the wallet has been successfully imported. Now that we've successfully imported the wallet, I'm going to show you how to receive on it. Click on the wallet, click receive with amount, change the currency to florins, put for example 5, add a description, click create, and then on another phone, for example the customer's phone, we click send, we click scan, and then we take the phone and scan the QR code. Check if the amount is okay, click next, send now, and then we get a notification that the transaction is on its way. This notification means that the transaction is on its way. This means that the customer can now leave the store. And with this, we have reached the end of the video. If you have any additional questions, please contact us via Instagram or Facebook or via hello@btzcuracao.com.